Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make roasted eggplant or brinjal chutney at home. Let's see the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I have here two big eggplant. If you don't have eggplant, you can use brinjals also. Roast the eggplant in the fire like this. If you have a stove, it's really good. After become soft, you remove all the black skin like this. You try to chop it like this, very small tiny pieces. You can add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and you have to add chopped garlic, ginger, each 3 pieces. Mix it well like this. One green chili, chopped one. 200 gram onion and 200 gram of tomatoes. Tomato you can add little later. Add 1 tablespoon of salt for taste. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mixed well like this. You can add chopped eggplant pieces, so looks like a paste. Mix it well together. Cover and cook for 15 minutes in the low fire. After 15 minutes, it's really cooked very well and it looks okay now. Almost finished and ready to eat. Sometimes you try to make like this chutney and enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye bye.